Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IKEA account, manage orders and family rewards step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type IKEA.com in the address bar and press enter. If the site asks for your country, select your region to load the correct IKEA website. Look at the top right corner and find the account or profile icon. Click the account or profile icon to open the sign-in menu. Choose Login or Sign In from the menu options. On the login page, click inside the email or username field. Enter the email address you used when creating your IKEA account. Click inside the password field. Type your password carefully and check for correct capitalization. If you are on a personal device, enable the option to stay signed in if available. Click the Login or Sign In button to access your account. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password to reset it. Enter your email for the reset link and follow the instructions sent to your inbox. After logging in, open the account menu again to confirm you are signed in. Go to Orders or Order History to view your recent and past purchases. Select an order to see delivery status, tracking details, and item information. Use the cancel or return options if they are available for your order. For returns, follow the on-screen steps and download or save any return labels provided. To manage delivery details, open the selected order and check the delivery address and time window. Update contact information in account settings if your phone number or address has changed. To access IKEA Family, find IKEA Family or Membership in your account dashboard. Check your IKEA Family points, rewards, and available member offers. If your membership is not linked, look for a link membership or join IKEA Family option. Confirm your email and personal details so rewards are tracked correctly. If you have the IKEA app, sign in with the same account to sync orders and rewards automatically. Turn on notifications in the app settings to get updates about deliveries and new IKEA Family deals. For extra security, review your login devices and sign out from unknown sessions if the option exists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.